You won't believe the secret ingredient in your favorite snack, but what's even more astonishing is the science behind how it affects your brain and body. Get ready to have your mind blown by these 10 surprising facts about food science. Number 1. The Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars, is responsible for the formation of new flavor compounds and browning of food, occurring at a temperature of 140 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. This reaction is the key to creating the perfect sear on a steak, with a 30% increase in flavor compounds. Number 2. The human tongue can detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, with the latter being discovered in 1908 by Japanese chemist Kikuchi Ikeda, who isolated glutamate from seaweed. Umami is responsible for 20% of our overall taste experience. Number 3. Food cravings are influenced by the brain's reward system, with 75% of cravings being driven by emotional factors, such as stress or boredom. The brain releases dopamine, a pleasure hormone, in response to food rewards, with a 50% increase in dopamine release when eating high-calorie